Why do we yawn, and why is it contagious? Today is day 29 of learning something new about the world around us and sharing it with you guys. And today we learned that researchers have no clear consensus on why we yawn, but there are three leading theories. The first theory is that yawning helps to wake up the brain. Because yawning is usually triggered by tiredness or boredom, it's thought that yawning helps us to engage with the external environment around us. Yawning concurrently increases our heart rate, it increases blood flow to the brain, and it uses some of our facial muscles. So those all help us to potentially wake up. The second theory is that yawning actually helps us to cool down our brain. When we yawn a bunch of air in, and that helps facilitate heat exchange. You may have noticed that when you're hotter, you tend to yawn more, and there's actually evidence behind this. Studies also show that we yawn less in cooler environments, which further supports this theory. Lastly, researchers think that yawning is linked with empathy and social bonding, and the reason yawns might be contagious is because of our mirror neurons, which activate when we see someone performing a certain action. And one of the main purposes of our mirror neurons is to help promote social cohesion and empathy. It's pretty interesting because studies have actually shown that contagious yawning is more prevalent in those with higher levels of empathy and social awareness. So when you yawn when someone else yawns, you actually might be more empathetic and you're reinforcing a social bond. If you enjoyed this video, follow along for our learning journey.